What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do a farm tour. Here's my mom. Okay. Anyway, this is a tour. So in nighttime, it's super pretty. Well, I'm not in the city right now. I'm just in like the mountains because this is where my grandpa's farm is. There's neighborhoods. That's not the city life. The city is so far away. I don't know. So I hope my camera doesn't shake. I made the same thing, but it was shaking too much, so I was gonna retry it. So that's the children area. You can like open that and lay down. There's a little doggy. It's a golden doodle. I mean, actually, I don't know. Yeah, those are my grandpa playing cameras. Ew. Sorry, guys. That's just disgusting. Bit disgusting. So I'm from Colombia, so I am fluent in Spanish. Comment down below if you want me to do a Spanish tutorial. Yeah, I can teach you. This is that beauty right there. Oh my god! I promise you to come in. Yeah, but this is how that was yeah. Have many. Yeah. And we have another dog here. So yeah, the dog is right here. I don't know if you can see him. Actually, yeah, I know you can't really see. I mean, I'm looking at the camera. He's just sleeping. I mean, he's just awake. He just wants to rest. You're so good, buddy. Anyway, let's just get in and explore inside. And I also have a cat. I just don't really know where he is. Yeah, I don't really know what the cat does. Sorry, guys. Can't see the cat. I'll probably film a part 2. I hope I can film it today. Yeah, we got a little pool right here. Lights. Pretty cool, huh? And then the water's really calm. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for 11 subscribers and 70 views on my first video. It really means a lot to me. So yeah. Also, I feel like we're the fastest. Well, I'm the fastest, we're the fastest growing channel. Look at it. Yeah.
Se está mirando ahí, ¿lo deja ver? No. Ahí, aló. ¿Qué hay ahí? ¿Qué hay ahí?
Tengo un canal de YouTube.
Sí, muestre. Ay, qué chévere, mire tan bonito eso.
Yeah, so that's just my uncle. Yeah, that's the big doggo. Fixing stuff. My grandpa's the one that is up there. That's my grandpa.
Vamos a traer la cámara. Se puede traerla.
My mom's city. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to show you the inside of the place. I'm sorry. Here's the kitchen. And this is the upstairs. Yeah. So this is the upstairs. There's a little balcony. Hopefully nothing scared me. There's another balcony right there. Sorry, it's gonna be, my camera will be pretty shaky. Hey,
Los liberales nos estamos alistando para elegir a los mejores alcaldes, los mejores edillos, los mejores diputados,
okay.
los mejores gobernantes del país y del Partido Liberal.
Oh my god, that scared me.
Seguiremos respaldando a los colombianos de a pie, a los que no tienen nada, y trabajar entre todos por más oportunidades.
That's a tall couch. I can chill here.
Los colombianos, este 2023, en las instituciones, a trabajar por una verdadera inclusión, a luchar contra el hambre, la falta de oportunidades, la inequidad y la desigualdad. Este 2023, con nuestros candidatos liberales, vamos a las calles a construir un mejor presente y futuro entre todos. Colombianos, este 2023, vamos
Yeah, so there's so much nature here. Colombia has so much nature. And the doggy. Okay, I know you guys, I don't know if you can actually see him. Yeah, that thing laying down is a dog. Strawberry. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm Zen Master Plays, and I'm out.